Here are the directions for the Topic 12 free response test. Write the fraction for the shaded part. Number 1. You will need to look at that shape, write down how many shaded parts there are, just like this. Let me show you an example so you know what to do. So 1 shaded part out of how many total parts? 3. So number 1 would be 1/3. Number 2, write down how many shaded parts there are out of however many total parts of the shape there is. That is the same direction for number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Number 7 says, color to show the fraction. 4/5 of the trucks are blue. Number 8, 7/8 of the bears are brown. Number 9, circle the best estimate. How much is shaded? About 0, about 1/2, or about 1. Number 10, how much is shaded? About 0, about 1/2, or about 1. On the back, number 11, write the number of parts, circle equal or unequal. Number 12, draw a line to show equal halves. Number 13, Darlene has 15 pencils. 2/3 of the pencils are yellow. How many pencils are yellow? So remember, on this one you are going to need to, let me give you an example. Let me move the paper over here. It says there are 15 pencils. So you would need to draw 15 pencils or 15 circles. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, then look at the fraction. It says, remember how to find how many equal groups you need. You look at the bottom number. Okay, that's going to tell you how many groups you need. Once you have the pencils divided into how many groups you need to count how many are in 2 of those groups, and that would be your answer. Okay? Number 14 is the same thing. 14 says Fernando finds 8 rocks, so you would draw 8 rocks. 3/4 of the rocks are gray. How many rocks are gray? And again, you would draw 8 rocks. Okay? Now, you can see there's not much room to draw on this paper, so I suggest you getting a piece of notebook paper to show your work, okay? Or so you can figure out how many there are. So here's your 8 rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You divide them into however many groups it says to for the bottom number, and then count how many are in 3 of those groups, and that would be your answer for 3/4 of 8. So make sure you work the problem out like I did. If there's not enough room on your paper, then get a piece of scratch paper to work the problem so you're able to find the answer. Number 15, circle the best estimate. A pizza is cut into 12 pieces. Lena, Doug, and Lee eat 2 pieces each. About how much of the pizza is left? So remember here, they give you plenty of room. You could draw a pizza, okay? And then you would have to divide it into however many pieces it says there. Okay? 12 pieces. And then you could shade in how many pieces Lena, Doug, and Lee ate, and that will show you how much of the pizza is left. About 0, about 1/2, or about 1. And number 16, writing in math. Draw a circle. Divide it into equal parts. Color some of the parts. Write a fraction to tell how many parts you colored. So number 16 is very similar to the reflection you guys did on Seesaw, how you had to make up your own fraction to show what you learned. So that is what you need to do for number 16. Draw a circle, divide it into equal parts, shade some of them one color, and then write the fraction to show how many parts you colored. When you are finished, Please make sure your name is on your paper and put it on the yellow table. Thank you.